Welcome back to Danny Math Hub, where you make math very easy for everyone. Let's look at the question on the board. A wire length 38 centimeters is bent into the shape of a rectangle whose length is 7 centimeters more than the width. Find the area of the rectangle. So a wire whose length is, the length of the wire is 38 centimeters and it has been bent into a rectangle. When it is bent into a rectangle, it means the whole rectangle has a length. The full length of the rectangle is equal to 38 centimeters, which can also be classified as perimeter. So it means that the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be 38 centimeters. Then the length of the centimeters is 7 more than the width. So let's look at the width first. We're going to give x as a width, and then the length will be 7 more than the width of the rectangle. First of all, let's find the width. In order to find the width, perimeter, now to find the perimeter of a rectangle, it is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So the length over here, the perimeter is equal to 38 centimeters, which is equal to, the length will be 2 times the length, which is what? 7 plus x, plus 2 times x, because the width is x and then the length is 7 more than the width. Okay, let's continue. So when we simplify this, we're going to have 2 times 7 and then 2 times x. 2 times 7, which will give us 17, plus 2x, plus the width, which is what? 2x. Now we add the like terms over here. We have 38 is equal to 14 plus 4x. It is not x squared because the x are not multiplied, they are added. So 4x, 2x plus 2x is going to give us 4x. Okay, let's continue. We want to find x, which is the width over here. So we are going to send 14 to where 38 is. We are going to get 38 minus 14, which is equal to 4x. And 38 minus 14 is going to give us 24, which is equal to 4x. Over here, in order to make x stand alone, we have to divide both sides by 4. We get 4, 4, and 4 will go into 24 6 times. Then, therefore, x is equal to 6. It means the width is equal to 6, and then the length will be equal to. So let's look at from this side. That means the width will now turn to 6. Then the length will now turn to 7 plus 6, which will give us 13. So it means the length is equal to 13 and then the width is equal to 6. Okay, so now they said we should find the area of the rectangle. And from the previous answer that we found, we saw that W, which is width, is equal to 6 centimeters, and the length, which is 13 centimeters. So we put it inside. We have area is equal to 13 centimeters times 6 centimeters. Then when we multiply that, we're going to get 78 centimeters squared. It is centimeters squared because when we multiply centimeter times centimeter, we're going to get squared of it. That's why we have centimeter squared, not centimeter cube. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.